The proper use of the country's forests is the focus of the Kalikasan Expo conference spearheaded by the Forest Management Bureau. For the full report, here's Ara Perez.
The Philippines is at an advantage when it comes to natural resources, particularly our forests. As they say, our responsibility is to care for them. The Kalikasan Expo Conference of the Forest Management Bureau aims to relive the Filipinos' awareness on the proper use of our forests in a manner sustainable to the environment and livelihood of people.
Ang programang Forestry Certification ay isang programa ng pamahalaan na kung saan ay magbibigay ng insentibo sa mga in particular na sa forestry industry upang pamahalaan ang gubat ng naaayon sa kalikasan.
Forestry was at its peak in the 1960s, but
the culprit of this is that in the past we look at it and we treat that the forest is unsurmountable resources that hindi na siya mauubos. Pero now we realize that with the conventional practices that the forestry is in a way an unsustainable activity na nadideplete siya.
The Caraga region, through the Win Caraga initiative and the Trade and Industry, wants to revive its timber industry to boost agroforestry.
Ang track talaga is agroforestry. Farmers, kailangan nilang kumita while waiting for the trees to be harvested. So we're trying to promote intercropping, cacao, and other crops that can be harvested shorter cycle period.
Timber also contributes to renewable energy, which the private and public sectors are both vying for.
Pwede yung panggatong, pwede rin yung sawdust. So yung panggatong is the wood waste. Pwede yung sanga, pwede rin yung sa mga yung balat ng kahoy. Yun yung pwede.
At present, almost 1 million trees have been planted in the Caraga region through the National Greening Program, while the Sustainable Forest Management Bill has been passed on third reading during the 15th Congress. For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.